Hi friends, Miss Lauren here. This is my little helper today, Alexa, and today we are going to do Dr. Seuss themed handprint activities. So for this, you're gonna obviously need some paintbrushes. You'll need blue paint, white paint, and red paint for us to do thing 1 or thing 2. And for the other one, you're gonna need black paint, red paint, and white paint so that we can do the cat in the hat. So for the first one, I'm going to help Alexa do it. And for the second one, she's going to do it by herself. And we're going to walk you through each step and how to do it. So we're going to do the cat in the hat first. You need your paintbrush and some black paint.
Yeah, me too.
Daddy talking about playing video games.
Yeah. If it is, you're probably going to have to start over because I don't know.
So with your black paint, you're going to paint your hand like this and leave this part of your hand open. You're going to take white paint and you're going to paint that part. Yep, it's going to be his belly, you're right.
Yep, it's going to be his belly.
And once you're done painting your hand, it should look like this. And then you're going to put it down on your paper. Push hard and make sure you get all that paint on there.
But don't push too hard.
And lift.
Oh no.
That's okay. We'll just do a little quick touch up.
Yeah.
Once you do your first handprint, it should look like this. So for this next part, we're still doing the cat in the hat, you're going to take your paper and you're going to flip it so that your handprint goes up here. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your black paint. Right hand, please, my dear. Thank you. So goose.
Yeah.
So you're going to take your black and you're going to paint your hand just like this. You want to make sure you don't paint any of your fingers. Then you're going to take your white paint.
Because the fingers are probably going to be the hair.
Well, what does the cat in the hat look like? What does he have on his head?
A hat.
A hat.
So it's probably going to be a hat.
It's going to be a hat, which is why we're leaving the fingers open so that we can paint the hat there. Well, it can be whatever color they want it to be, but for you and I, we're going to do it red and white because that's what his hat looks like.
Yeah, so you can choose any other colors you would like for his hat, but we're going to use some
Red and white.
Yeah, red and white.
So you're going to take your white and you're going to paint it like that, and then we're going to do the hat on the fingers. Nope, your thumb is going to stay paint free.
Yes, so we're not going to paint my thumb?
Nope.
And we're just going to do the 4 fingers, so not your thumb.
Oops, I accidentally dipped it in the red. That's okay. I'm painting it like this, and then in between each of the white stripes, we're going to do red.
Yep.
So after you do your white stripes, you're going to take a paintbrush and you're going to do red.
Oh, we're going to do it that big thing?
Oh, I don't think we're using that big one. scrub this one.
Okay. Oops. Oh no! Doesn't really matter though. Isn't it usually right away?
It might be a little backwards, but as long as they get the idea of how to do it, that's okay.
Yeah. Wait, no, maybe that is right. I think that is right. Because I did.
Well, they're going to see the video and then they're going to do it with their mommies and daddies, just like you're doing it with me.
Okay.
Oh, that was kind of a lot of paint right there.
Yeah.
Once you're done painting your hand like this, you're going to take your paper and you're going to stick your handprint right down on there.
Remember, not your thumb. You can stick your thumb down, but don't pinch it.
And lift. It's okay. I'll just do a little touch up right here.
I don't know why my thumb's stick. Can I should you pause it now? Then you should probably wash your hands.
Yeah.
Oh, we're making little ears. And if you want to be creative, you can add little ears on him.
So once you're done with your handprints, it should look something like this. And we're going to wait for this one to dry to draw on the face and to do the red bow tie that the Cat in the Hat has. Okay, friends, while we let the Cat in the Hat dry, Alexa's going to show you how we're going to do thing 1 or thing 2, whichever one you want to do. So what's the first step? What color are you painting your hand first?
First, we're going to get our red paint and we're going to paint our whole hand with red paint.
You're doing good. Keep going.
Red on the paper.
That's okay.
Right now.
Makes your picture a little extra special, a little extra color. It is a lot of red paint.
Yeah. This is good.
Show my friends your hand.
It'll be all red, and then you're gonna stick it on your paper, and you're gonna push it hard, but not too hard.
And lift. And this is what your first handprint should look like.
Yep.
Now we're going to do blue and white, and we're going to flip the paper over the other way.
But first we wash our hands.
Yes.
Okay, now,
What color are we going to do now?
should we do the blue first?
We can do the blue first. You might want to use this one since you need more blue.
We're gonna get some blue on our brush, and we're gonna paint our fingers blue, and you're gonna paint your thumb as well this time. So you're just gonna paint your fingers blue. We're doing a bunch of painting. This brush is very floppy. Okay.
Here, let me see.
Yeah. You may need a
This
little
part's
help.
a little tricky.
Yes, you may need a little help. And it's okay to get help.
That's right. Everybody needs help sometimes. Little ticklish thing, you. Okay.
Do we do our thumb too?
Yep.
Okay.
You're going to go ahead and do your thumb. I just wanted to help show how far down on the hand to go.
Click this, and then you're going to do your thumb. Now, do I paint this real cleanly or just...
All of this is going to be white. That's okay.
Oh, no. Okay. Take this, please.
Thank you.
And that...
Oh, I'm sorry, dear.
And then this part, you're going to get some white on your brush, and you're going to paint all of it here. be very careful not to mix the colors. And if you do, that's okay. You're just going to try not to.
Like a Smurf.
Yeah, it kind of looks like Smurf.
Well, thank goodness when we're done, it's going to look like thing 1 or thing 2.
Yeah.
Which one are we making? Are we making thing 1 or thing 2?
I don't know. You guys can make thing 1 or thing 2, and I think we're gonna make thing. Wait, okay. Pick 1 or 2, and I'm gonna tell you if it's 1 or 2.
I think we're going to do thing 1.
Yeah, probably, because we should do thing 1, because we're only gonna make 1. And if we were gonna make 2, then we'd make 2. Now it's been quite a while. So this is what it's gonna look like then. At least it should look something like this.
Mm-hmm.
And then
we're going to take it
on the paper.
Stick it as close to the other palm print as you can, the other handprint that you did.
Yes.
And lift.
Oh, it looks pretty good.
Yeah, that's not bad. So when you're all done, it should look like this. And we're going to let this one dry, and then we'll come back and show you what it looks like with the face on.
Yep, and the cat in the hat one.
Mm-hmm.
Bye. Make sure you're waiting for them to dry.
Okay, friends, our cat in the hat and our thing are done. They're dry. So we drew faces on, and we also put a red bow tie on the cat in the hat. So this is what mine looks like.
And this is what mine looks like.
For the thing 1 that we put here, we did it on a white piece of paper, and we cut a circle out, and then we wrote thing 1 on there and glued it on.
Yes, and you can make your face however it wants to look.
Exactly. Thanks for watching.